Welcome back to part two on the login and sign up tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the sign up portion. Um, let's jump, jump right in rather than wasting your time. So we want to make sure that the element is visible on page load is unchecked. And reason why is because we're going to be using the same exact space to be able to have this sign up. So we're going to copy this and we're going to make it disappear. Yep, is that what is this? Group C. And we're going to have so I like changing the names to all the groups and all the elements so that way um, when I come here I can select exactly the group that I need. Excuse me. So group E in reality is a sign up group, and this is the group that we're going to be using right now. So let's make some changes. So sign up. Before we continue, this we want to make sure that it collapses when it's hidden. And that way, everything comes back up. And we will do the same thing for this one. But this one will be visible on page load because the assumption is that people will be able to, should be able to see the sign up first because you want them to create the account. But you can use it either or. You get the email address here. We're going to make this full width. That's good. We're going to make sure that this is full width. That's good. But now what we want is we want to make sure that we have password confirmation. So this one should go one up. So we enter password. We enter. And then this is a password. Actually, yep, it's a password. This is misspelled. Make sure it's good. And then we're going to flip-flop these two. So now when the user click on sign up, let's make the workflow. The user clicks on sign up. We sign the user up, which is the first option here at the top. Then let's go back and do something really quick. Let's make a distinction between the sign up and the login. That way, it's not confusing. All right. This should make life a little bit easier for us. So here on the email, as you can see, now I know which one is for sign up, which one is for login, which is the one that doesn't have anything in parentheses. So we want to use the value for the password, and then require password confirmation. Here we go down here, password conf, sign up, that's the value. And you can send a confirmation email or not, and that's up to you. You will have to set up SendGrid. Down here to be able to do that. Actually, let's see what it was. I forgot what it was. I never use it, so that's why I'm a little bit confused right now. It might be here. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not completely sure. Anyways, um, basically, you can have the system send out a confirmation email. I don't use it, so you can use it if you want. Remember email? Typically mark yes. Why not? If you have any other fields, so here you could add like first name, last name, I don't know, the city they're from, or whatever data is relevant to you, you can add it here. So let's say name, then let's say that this is the input name, then you can add that. We're not going to do that because we don't have any custom fields created. And then for this one, for the login button, what we want to do is when we click the login button, we want to show the login group, and we want to hide the sign up group. And then we will go back to the login group, and when we click sign up, again, we want to show the sign up group, and we want to hide the login group. Should make for a nice little feature. Okay, so let's preview this. Let's make sure that we got one issue here. We don't have a Google Geocode API. It's interesting for some reason. All right, let's try now. Now it's good. Now I created this button to trigger the pop-up, but basically here you trigger the pop-up. I already have an account, so I don't want to sign up. So let's change it. And here is the login. Actually, I don't have an account. I want to sign up. Here is the sign up. And now say test at mail.com. We are going to use the password generator. And here we're going to click on sign up. And it went through. There were no errors. Now I'm signed up. Of course, you're gonna see that we're signed up. That we're signing in because, well, in reality, we haven't created anything to display that. But here, uh, say we want, let's do current user email address, and here you go. There's at mail.com, which is the one that we use. Some of the things that you can do is when people click on the button login, you log them in, and then what I typically do is I redirect them to a different page. So whether that is the index page or the reset password for I don't know why you would do either one of those, but let's say the index page. Um, that way, when the user logs in, uh, so it gets redirected to a page. That's a blank page. We deleted everything before, but you get the point. Hopefully, this is pretty self-explanatory. It's probably the best for the best user experience possible. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comments. Make sure you like the video, share it with anyone that might benefit from this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you like the content. And if you have, like I said, if you have questions, please let me know. I'm trying to make content based on what the audience want to see and what the questions are there. While this content is basic, I intend to make content that is a little bit more advanced and just trying to slowly work out from the bottom. So people that are following, they're able to follow along with me. Again, thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. Happy building.